Hi guys, in this video you got all the information of Vivo X100 Pro versus Vivo iQOO12 Pro. Vivo X100 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $800. And the Vivo iQOO12 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $850. The weight, the Vivo X100 Pro have 225 grams and the Vivo iQOO12 have 205 grams. The build, the Vivo X100 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the Vivo iQOO12 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame. The both mobile come with dual SIMs. The display, the Vivo X100 Pro and the Vivo iQOO12 Pro have LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color display, and the screen size is same. The resolution, the Vivo X100 Pro have 1260 by 2800 pixels and the Vivo iQOO12 have 2K resolution. The PPI density of Vivo X100 is 453 and the Vivo iQOO12 have 518. The refresh rate, the Vivo iQOO12 have 144 Hz refresh rate and the Vivo X100 120 Hz refresh rate. Screen to body ratio is same. The protection, the both mobile come with Scotch Vention Up glass and the 3000 nits peak brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these mobiles. The Vivo X100 have triple camera setup with the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, and also record 8K 30 fps video recording. And the Vivo iQOO12 have triple camera setup, the main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide and the 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's also record 8K 30 fps video. And the selfie cameras of this mobile, the Vivo X100 Pro have 32 megapixel camera and the Vivo iQOO12 have 16 megapixel camera. And talk about their platform, the Vivo X100 and the Vivo iQOO12 Pro have octa-core CPU with Cortex X4, and the chipset of this mobile, the Vivo X100 Pro come with 9300 chipset with 4nm processor, and the Vivo iQOO12 Pro have Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. And the GPU of these mobile, the Vivo X100 Pro come with Immortalus G720 and the Vivo iQOO12 come with Adreno 750. The both mobiles based on Android 14. The memory of these mobiles, the Vivo iQOO12 Pro and the Vivo X100 Pro come with 16 GB of RAM and the 1 TB storage, and he had no micro SD card. The battery, Vivo X100 Pro have 5400 mAh battery and the Vivo iQOO12 5100 mAh battery. The fast charging, the Vivo X100 have 100 watt fast charging and the Vivo iQOO12 have 120 watt fast charging. The both mobile come with 15 watt wireless charging and also come with 5G network. Let's talk about the result of these mobiles. The Vivo X100 Pro have 22 points and the Vivo iQOO12 have 24 points.
Memory. Battery. Comms and features.